What up, family? It's y'all boy He, man. You already know the breaker of bars. Hey, you already know he would not steer you. Wrong. Hey, honey, I'm home. Doja Cat. Doja Cat. She all woman. Talk to me nice.
Your Majesty, we have a problem. They're trying to seize your throne.
Take me to them now.
We got the Sky Vodka? Okay. That's just hilarious, right? Oh, she's not finna do the whole Michael Jackson thing. No, she not. She not about to do that. She trying to take over the whole game, and she really did that in the reverse form. Do you remember Magic Johnson and all them? Remember the time? Here, Papa, plant your seed. You want me to fertilize the garden? Huh? The womb, the what? Oh, we having babies. And I got a lot already, but I'm having more.
She can grow right from her womb of family. Provide loving, overlooked and unappreciated. You see, you can reciprocate. I got delicious taste. You need a woman's touch in your place. Just protect her and keep her safe. Baby, worship my hips and waist. So feminine with grace.
What? Did you just say worship your lips and the waist? Like you're talking about the lips between your waist? Wait, I'm aproned up already, ready to go.
Keep her safe, baby, worship my hips and waist.
Oh, hips and waist.
So feminine with grace. I touch your soul when you hear me say,
what?
Let me be a woman.
Oh, give me my soul back. I need my soul back. Oh man, I remember we've already established that I'm yours already.
So when you hear me
That means you're mine too.
let me be a woman. Let me be a woman. Hear me say, boy, let me be a woman. Let me be a woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be a woman. Woman, woman, woman. Let me be a woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be a woman.
She too fire. She's too fire.
I can be your lady, I'm a woman.
There she go. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I love that. I love her right there. And when she get like, and it seems to be her thing. She give you this shit, but then she gets to that second part and she starts snapping on y'all real quick. She snapped back like a whole snapback. Where my hat went? Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Let's go.
I can be your lady, I'm a woman, I'm a motherfucker, but
Be a lady. I'm a woman. I'm a mother. What? What? Let's go.
I can be your lady, I'm a woman, I'm a motherfucker, but they got a problem. Put some babies in your life and take away the drama. Put the paper in the
Wait, what?
I can be
That's some problems.
I can be your lady, I'm a woman, I'm a motherfucker, but they got a problem. Put some babies in your life and take away the drama.
Put some babies in your life and take away the drama. I know. Put some babies in your life and take away the drama. Now she's basically putting a whole play on You need to get some D in your life, some ick in your life, basically, some DICK in your life. You put some baby, and you need to go on and let the man fertilize the garden. Now, she's not saying babies as in put maybe she is, because you could get pregnant, basically, but she's basically saying, you need to go on and let that man ejaculate in you. Get some semen in your life. Put some babies in your life, semen babies, basically. Some babies in your life, your mouth, maybe you need them in your mouth. Like, that's how she talking right now. That's how she's talking right now. Maybe to take away the drama, because they say that's a stress reliever. Get some D. That's a stress reliever. You stressing. Take away some drama. Get some D. Oh my God.
Woman, I'm a motherfucker, but they got a problem. Put some babies in your life and take away the drama. Put the paper in the picture like a diorama.
Ooh, diorama.
In your life and take away the drama.
Drama, diorama. See, she has these subtle rhyme shits working, like wordplay. Diorama. I don't know what it is. It sounds like some shit that you get from like a CAT scan or something.
Put the paper in the picture like a diorama.
I can't even let that one slide. I'm sorry. What the fuck is a diorama? Put that paper in a picture like a diorama. What is that? Can't let that one bother me right there. A model representing a scene with three-dimensional figures. Put some paper in your life. You need a lot of money to make shit look 3D.
But they got a problem. Put some babies in your life and take away the drama. Put the paper in the picture like a diorama. Gotta face a lot of people that are opposite. Cause the world told me we ain't got that common sense.
That again?
Gotta face a lot of people that are opposite. Cause the world told me we ain't got that common sense. Gotta prove it to myself that I'm on top of shit. And you would never know a guy without a goddess is honest, is fucking honest. Kidding, I could be on everything. I mean, I could be the leader, head of all the states. I could smile and jiggle it till his pockets empty. I could be the CEO just like a Robin Fenty. And I'ma be there for you cause you on my team, girl. Don't ever think you ain't hell of these niggas' dream, girl. Robin Fenty. And I'ma be there for you cause you on my team, girl. Don't
CEO like Robin Fenty. That's Rihanna's brand, ain't it?
I could be the CEO just like a Robin Fenty. And I'ma be there for you cause you on my team, girl. Don't ever think you ain't hell of these niggas' dream, girl. They wanna pit us against each other when we succeed, and for no reasons. They wanna see us end up like we were Gina or Mean Girl. Princess.
No, she's talking like we will be together. They trying to pit us against each other, but we are stronger together. I like that. So maybe she is talking to Rihanna at that point. Look, we woman. She's trying to orchestrate some woman power here. I see what you doing. Look, you have all the power you want. All of it. Goddess.
I could be on everything. I mean, I could be the leader, head of all the states. I could smile and jiggle it till his pockets empty. I could be the CEO just like a Robin Fenty. And I'ma be there for you cause you on my team, girl. Don't ever think you ain't hell of these niggas' dream, girl. They wanna pit us against each other when we succeed, and for no reasons. They wanna see us end up like we were Gina or Mean Girl. Princess or
That was a great. I watched that movie. Mean Girls got my kids through some that it's crazy because that was the only movie that would actually get my son to chill out when he was young. It was the fucking movie Mean Girls. And when I tell him that now that he's older, like in his 20, he's 20, 21. Like when I tell him that, he was like, "No, I did." I'm like, "Son, Mean Girls is the only thing that you watched over and over again and you would chill out while watching fucking Mean Girls." Like I watched that movie so many times.
There for you cause you on my team, girl. Don't ever think you ain't hell of these niggas' dream, girl. They wanna pit us against each other when we succeed, and for no reasons. They wanna see us end up like we were Gina or Mean Girl. Princess or Queen, tomboy or king. You've heard a lot, you've never like we were Gina or
Princess or Queen, tomboy or king.
You've heard a lot, you've never seen. Mother Earth, Mother Mary, rise to the top. Divine feminine, I'm feminine. Mother Earth, Mother Mary, rise to the top. Divine feminine, I'm feminine. Let me be a woman. Woman. I can be a woman. Woman. Let me be a woman. Woman. I can be
She's too dope. Mother Nature woman. That's Mother Nature's above everything. Wow. I mean, that's why she said I could be the leader of states and all, like basically in power. That's Mother Nature. Mother Nature's everything. Wow. Doja Cat, well, I've not been disappointed yet. Like, and she be talking too. It ain't just the visuals, like it ain't just all that. She really be talking. Like for us, she be talking. I don't know how she went under the radar with me like this, but she really be talking, man. Y'all let me know what else I need to check out from Doja Cat in the comments. Thumbs up the video. Hit the subscribe button. One family. Peace.